5 Best Fishing Shorts. Here is the product number 5. Daiwa Camouflage Fishing Pants. Brand name, View Real. Material, cotton. Gender, men. Fabric type, broadcloth. Model number, ZLO10. Pattern type, patchwork. Feature, breathable. Collar, O-neck. Clothes type, fishing pants. Feature, breathable, quick dry. Season, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Here is the product number 4. Breathable Man Summer Fishing Shorts. Pants Hiking Shorts Quick Drying Breathable Man Summer Fishing Shorts Waterproof Outdoor Sports Hiking Travel Short. Brand name, Simply. Material, bamboo fiber. Gender, men. Fabric type, broadcloth. Model number, AL308. Pattern type, letter. Feature, breathable. Fit, fits true to size, take your normal size. Here is the product number 3. Daiwa Fishing Shorts in Fishing Clothing. Daiwa Fishing Shorts in Fishing Clothing. Breathable Man Summer Fishing Pants Shorts Trekking Outdoor Hiking Pants Travel. Brand name, View Real. Material, polyester. Feature, breathable. Fabric type, broadcloth. Model number, Best 895. Pattern type, solid. Clothes type, fishing shorts. Feature, breathable, quick dry. Here is the product number 2. 2020 Shorts Men Summer Waterproof Pants. 2020 Shorts Men Summer Waterproof Pants Fishing Clothing. Breathable Outdoor Sports Pants Shorts Pockets Fishing Shorts. Brand name, Simply. Origin, sea and origin. Material, polyester. Gender, men. Fabric type, broadcloth. Model number, AL617. Pattern type, print. Feature, breathable. Collar, O-neck. Here is the product number 1. Shorts Fishing Clothing Pants Men. Shorts Fishing Clothing Pants Men Summer Breathable Multi-Pocket Zipper Fishing Pants Sport Shorts Men's Unisex XS7XL. Brand name, Simply. Fabric type, broadcloth. Model number, XT23. Pattern type, patchwork. Feature, breathable. Season, summer. Material, polyester, spandex, cotton.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.